Finally, Grok 3 is available for testing, and in this video we are going to compare Grok 3 with OpenAI's O3 Mini as well as DeepSeek's R1 model. And I'm having LeetCode problem, math problem, some word problem as well as coding problems to test. So let's get started. First, let's go with the simple one. Let's just go with a word problem. So this is the prompt that I'm having. I have 3 apples today. Yesterday I ate an apple. How many apples do I have? This might look so simple, but there are some AI models which gave wrong answer to it. So we're just going to see how this works. So Grok in normal mode has given us the right answer 3, and Grok in the thinking mode, it has thought for around 22 seconds and it also gave the right answer. And OpenAI's O3 Mini thought for just 11 seconds, gave the right answer. But DeepSeek's R1 gave the right answer, but it literally thought around for 55 seconds. I don't know why it thought so much, but at the end everything gave the right answer, with OpenAI's O3 Mini being the fastest. So now let's go with the LeetCode medium problem. So I will just go with find unique binary string, which is of type medium. Let me just go this and quickly copy paste. I'm going to just copy paste it like this along with the constraint and just put it there. I'm going to ask you to give the solution in Java. So let's see what each model gives us. So the normal Grok has given us the solution. So let me just quickly copy this and going to LeetCode, I'll just put it over here. Let me just submit it now. Okay, it has actually given us the right answer. So Grok 3 is good in solving this LeetCode based questions. So that's amazing from Grok. Next, let's go with the Grok with the thinking mode on, and it has thought for around 48 seconds, and I guess it will be able to pull it off easily. So we just go and do the same, and it has given 100%. That's insane from Grok 3 with the thinking mode. Actually normal Grok got like quite 50%, I guess, something, but Grok 3 with the thinking mode has literally got 100% for this medium problem. Next, let's go with the O3 Mini. O3 Mini just took 14 seconds when compared to Grok's 48 seconds. It's been quite fast, O3 Mini, and let's see how it performs now. And O3 Mini has also got 100%, so it's neck to neck at the moment. And let's see DeepSeek. I guess DeepSeek would have thought a long time. Like it thought for around 95 seconds. That's more than 1.5 minutes, and it has given us the output. And DeepSeek's R1 has also got 100%. So all the 3 high models, when it comes to thinking and reasoning, they have got it right. But Grok took 48 seconds and O3 Mini just took 14 seconds, whereas DeepSeek took more than 1.5 minutes. So when it comes to speed, I think ChatGPT's O3 Mini is number 1 and followed by Grok 3 and then DeepSeek's R1. But still everybody is giving the right answer. And next one, let's go with this math problem and see if it can find out the answer for it, because this problem is kind of tricky. As you can see here, we are having this power, the normal x, the denominator, numerator and stuff. So it needs to parse the equation very carefully from this image, else it will be throwing us a wrong answer. So we are testing both the vision as well as the parsing capability of the model. So Grok 3 has solved the problem in the normal mode, and the right answer for that question is -3, and it has got it spot on. And I guess the upload feature is not available in the thinking mode. For example, if I click on think, I'm not able to upload anything. It's disabled for this mode. So it's fine, it has still got the right answer. Whereas OpenAI's O3 Mini took 31 seconds for the exact same problem, and it has also given us the right answer. And DeepSeek's R1 model has also given us the right answer. It took around 72 seconds for this. So far Grok 3 has been performing 10 on 10, has got all the things spot on. Now let's go with some tricky CSS question. Okay, so this question that I tested has been only done perfectly by ChatGPT's O3 Mini model. The rest of the models has been like not that accurate with this question. So this is basically a HTML, JavaScript and CSS code where a ball is bouncing inside a spinning rectangle, and the ball must be only affected by gravity and friction, and the ball shouldn't come out of the rectangle. This is the prompt, and let's see what it gives now. And we have got the response from Grok 3 without the thinking mode, and I really wish there was a way we could like run this. Not sure if there's a way to run inbuilt the website itself. So let me just copy this, and I'm having here a HTML file. Just paste the code, save it, and let's see the output now. So this is the output that I get, and as you can see here, this is not perfect, and this is not a rectangle. I asked for a rectangle in the prompt. This is a rectangle, but this is more like a square, and I don't know why it's like glitching. So I would rate this like 50 since it got the spinning rectangle, but apart from that, it's totally like bad. The normal Grok 3, it thought about 110 seconds, so it's 1 minute and 50 seconds. So let me just copy this and just try running it now. So this is the response that I get from Grok 3 after thinking. The ball is there, but it's going outside. The ball is literally gone, and got similar responses from Grok 3 without thinking and with thinking. O3 mini, and it took around 52 seconds. So now let me just run this. We are having the edit in canvas, and we'll be having the preview, and O3 mini has got it spot on. As you can see, the ball is exactly inside the rectangle, and it is not crawling outside. So let's see what DeepSeek has done for the exact same prompt. This is 10 out of 10, and DeepSeek has thought for around 174 seconds. That's nearly 3 minutes, and let's see if it has given the right output. Okay, DeepSeek has done quite a good job, but the only thing is the ball kinda is on the line. This is like 99%, right? This is like a slightest of mistakes, but yeah, this one is so good for DeepSeek R1. So Grok 3 has lost it over here to O3 mini and DeepSeek R1. So let me go with another coding prompt. This one I found it in Twitter, and this is basically creating a HTML, CSS, JavaScript of animations of letters falling, and it has these many parameters. So let's just go and give it to all. So we have got the output for that letter falling animation. First, let me go with the normal Grok. Okay, this is the thing that I get. This is not perfect. I don't see any letters, and I guess the letters are just stuck on the top, because here it says the letters need to randomly come from the top and it needs to fall under Earth's gravity. So basically this hasn't happened at all, and there isn't any interaction, nothing those sort has happened. So basically it's just coming from the top, but I don't see them falling. Like, okay, wait, let me put it 100%. Yeah, I don't see them falling, so it's not kind of that accurate from Grok. And let me next go with the Grok thinking one. We just copy this, and it has thought around 138 seconds. So this is the output that I get from Grok after thinking, and that's really good from Grok. This is what I wanted. Yeah, the letters are falling and it's then bouncing based upon the gravity, but yeah, it's good, but I don't know why it's like randomly colliding this much. I don't know why there is so much of collision, but this kinda has done the job, kinda better than the normal Grok. Yeah, and now let's go with O3 mini. O3 mini has thought for around the similar time, 1 minute 48 seconds, and let's see what it gives us now. Okay, it's saying allow network access. Yeah, I'll just click on allow. Okay, that's not bad from O3 mini, but I don't see any collision over here, because here we have mentioned it needs to interact with collision. Yeah, but this is also not bad. This also kind of does the job similar to Grok 3 after thinking. And final thing, let's go with DeepSeek R1, and I bet this would have thought more than any other model. Okay, just only thought for 57 seconds. That's so less from DeepSeek. Okay, so we got the letters falling, and yeah, DeepSeek R1 has also done a good job. So except, okay, it's actually going up. It shouldn't go up, it should come down. But this is better from normal Grok. So all the models are able to like generate this. Pretty much like a 80% 90% accuracy, even though it's not the best. And final thing that I want to try was by going with a hard LeetCode problem. So here we are having this hard problem over here. So let's see if all the models can solve this. So the normal Grok has given us the answer. This uses dynamic programming. So let me just copy this and just going to put it over here. Okay, that beats 66.55%. That's not bad, to be honest. Thought for around 78 seconds. So let me just run this and see. Okay, it's 66 seconds for the normal Grok without the thinking. So I'm just going to directly submit. I know it's gonna get accepted anyways. Same 66.55%. Okay, that's interesting. And let's see if O3 mini can do better. It has thought for 59 seconds. I'm going to copy this and put it over here. Okay, and submit it. And O3 mini has got 100% over here in a hard question. That's insane. That's really good from O3 mini. And finally we need to try with DeepSeek R1. Okay, and DeepSeek's R1 has got 66.55%. So when compared to all the models, as a conclusion, I think OpenAI's O3 mini still remains the number one when compared to the testing. It really got most of the prompts and coding problems spot on, and I guess Grok 3 with thinking also does an extremely great job. It's on par with DeepSeek's R1 model, and even a slight bit of improvements, and I'm really sure in the upcoming models Grok and XAI can literally beat OpenAI's model in the future. So it's really amazing how Elon Musk has come up with such an amazing model in a really short period of time. So really great, and congrats to him. And do let me know in the comments what you think about it. I hope you would have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming, AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.